Okay. So whatever you're seeing right now is everything matter. Okay. Whatever like trees or birds, your buildings, where you're sitting in your house, the books, then the mobile phones, then the headphones, whatever you're using is everything matter. Okay. So these things are around us, wherever you're sitting. Now just see, look around you. Abhishek, just look around you. Can you see everything around you is a matter thing? Do you guess? Can you say that things around you are matter? Like what are the objects? Simple words, not matter, actually objects, kind of objects, whatever is there around you, anywhere, like the books, the pencil, everything, objects are called nothing but matter in scientific language. Okay. Okay. So so what is this? Can anyone tell me? Sneha Mandir, can you tell me what is going on here? Sneha Mandir, unmute yourself and tell me what is going on here.
Breathing, ma'am. Breathing, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So you're breathing something?
Oxygen.
Yes. So basically, you're breathing air, and in that oxygen is present. So
Yes, ma'am.
can you say that air is matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. So basically, even if we are not able to see anything, like example air, that doesn't mean it's not a matter. It's a matter. It's a thing, okay? Because you can feel it, right? When wind is blowing very fast, if it is raining, then winds very blow fast, right? Everywhere. So you can feel the air when it is blowing fast. Okay, so that is called air. That is called matter. So that means that air is a matter. Okay? Can you say that now? Jasmine Makandar, can you say that air is a matter? Unmute yourself. Whenever I ask anyone anything, unmute yourself and answer me, because the class won't go without any interaction. Okay? I have to understand that you are understanding the things which I'm making you understand. Okay? Jasmine, whenever I ask anyone, whenever I take someone's name, make sure that uh, you do not reply me in chat, because I cannot keep on seeing the chat. So just unmute yourself and say yes, so that we can have a one-to-one interaction. Okay. So yes, Jasmine, uh, so can you say that air is a matter or no? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. Rims, Abhishek, what is this? What is this? What is this? Can you see? Rims, Abhishek. Rims, Abhishek, can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, Rims, Abhishek, can you tell me what is this? What I'm showing you here? Rims, Abhishek. Okay, fine. St. Peter's Ganesh, tell me what is this? Please be in an undisturbed area, please. We have, please be in an undisturbed area, because we cannot do be like this. Okay, so this is nothing but stone, a stone. Stones are there. Shreya Kori came, and Shreya Kori, unmute yourself and tell me what is this? Shreya Kori. Okay, Rims, Anjum, tell me what is this? What I'm showing you? Can you see? Unmute yourself and tell me what is this? Do not shy away. Yes, Rims Abhishek.
Miss Stones.
Yes, they're stones. Rims Abhishek Ningure, yes, ask me what happened. You raised your hand. Miss, that you're not unmuting. I've unmuted everyone. You yourself, see, I've muted everyone, but when you want to say something, I've allowed you to unmute yourself and answer me. So just when I ask you something, unmute yourself and then answer me. Understood? St. Peter's, Shreyas, then Tanvi. Just a minute. Just a minute. Whenever I ask you something, please unmute. So, Anuradha, can you tell me what is this? Host is not allowing to unmute coming, ma'am. Okay, wait. Just let me see once again what the problem is. I'll just come. Anjum, why you're so scared to answer me? Okay. So, Kiran M. Chocolate, tell me what is this?
Miss Stone.
Okay. So, do you think stones are a matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And Srishti Kolugude, what is this? What is
Cloud.
clouds? Okay, so are these this is a matter or it's not a matter?
Yes, ma'am, it's a matter.
Very good. Then Rims Kishore, what is this? Rims Kishore, what is this?
Miss Stone.
Stone. No,
Yeah.
what is this? It's not stone.
Plants.
Yes. From where did you see these are stones? Concentrate over here. Okay. See, have you done breakfast or no?
Yes, miss.
You have done, right? Or I thought there is no energy in you to identify the difference between stone or plant. Okay, so have your breakfast and sit so that you feel energized to tell that this is a plant or a stone. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, nice. So these are plants, Kishore.
Yes.
So
Yes, miss.
are they matter or no? Are they a matter or no, Kishore? Kishore, are they a matter or no?
No.
They're not a matter.
Yes, miss. Matter.
It's a matter. And why you think it's a matter? Why you think it's a matter? Kishore, tell me why you think it's a see, it's okay if even if you're wrong. That's totally okay. But you have to tell me that why you think it's not a matter. It's totally okay if you don't know, if you do mistakes, This is a stage of doing mistakes, and then from here you can improve yourself. So tell me, what is this? It's not a matter. Are you sure? Okay, no problem. Do not keep on asking your friend who is sitting beside you. Just concentrate here if you don't know. Rims Kiran M. Chogle, tell me, it's a matter or it's not a matter?
Miss,
Yes, Kiran.
ma'am, matter.
Okay, it's a matter.
It's
It's
a
an
matter,
object.
ma'am.
It's an object. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Srushti Kulugure, can you tell me whether it's a matter or no,
Yes, ma'am, it's a matter.
and why you think it's a matter? Because it's a kind of object, right? In
Yes,
simple
ma'am.
language. See the ball also beside you. It's a matter or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a
Because
matter,
it's the
right?
object.
Yes. In simple language, object. Okay. You have to be like that. Anything. See, matter is something a scientific language, and object is something which I'm trying to explain in an informal way. Okay. So you have to understand whatever object is called matter. So anything, even we ourselves are a matter. Okay. Are we matter now? I'll give you the definition of matter later, but just keep on telling me whether it's a matter or no. Okay. Yes, St. Peter's, Sanvi, tell me what is this? St. Peter's, Samanvi, tell me what is this? St. Peter's, Sanami, what is this? Fruits? Okay, so basically what we do with fruits? St. Peter Sanvi, tell me what we do with fruits. Okay, Shreya Kori came in. Shreya Kori, tell me what is this?
Vegetables and sand.
Fruits. Okay, and what we do
Yes.
of these all things? For what we use it?
Vegetables used to we eat food.
Yes, basically we eat food, right? These are things
Yes.
which we eat food. So what are these? These are matter. This is matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Further, let's go ahead. Then Rims, Pratik, tell me what is this? Rims, Pratik, tell me what is this? Rims, Pratik, tell me what is this? Can you see? Are you able to see what I'm showing you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is this, Pratik?
Ma'am, it's vegetables and fruits and
Sand? Okay. Sand is a
vegetables.
no. This down. Vegetables is down. It's a sand.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is it a matter or no?
Matter.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, Rims, Abhishek, tell me what is this? Yes, tell me once again. What is this? Rims, Abhishek.
Deer.
Okay, so basically it's an animal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is it a matter or no? Tell me.
Matter, ma'am.
Okay, and the flowers which you're seeing around it, or the plants you're seeing around it, is it a matter or no?
Matter, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, Rims Darshan Hukkeri, can you tell me what is this? Darshan Hukkeri, tell me what is this? Yes? What it is? Okay, Sonali Jadhav, tell me what is this which I'm showing you here? Unmute yourself and then say. I've asked you already to unmute yourself. Yes, say. What is
Ma'am,
this?
that is night sky.
Okay, and what are the small dots over here? Small, small.
Ma'am, that stars.
Okay, stars. So, do you think stars are matter? Do you think
Stars
stars are
are
matter?
No, ma'am.
Why you don't think stars are matter?
Ma'am,
Why you think that stars are not a matter? Okay, we'll keep it pending. Okay, so
yes, ma'am.
we'll keep it pending. Rim Srushti, tell me what is this?
Drop of water. Drops
Very,
of water.
yes, very good. So do you think it's a matter? Object?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very nice. Okay, fine. So everything right now, whatever we saw, see these all things, the air, see even here, the clouds, the grass, the mountains, everything is a matter. Every object, the moment you see here and there is a matter. Okay, you have to keep in mind that everything around you, a kind of object, is a matter. Okay. Now see this breathing. See, air also is a matter because we feel it, right? When you breathe, you feel the air inside your body. Yes? So it's a matter. The stones, you catch it. Okay? So it's a matter. You feel it, right? It's a matter. Then the clouds. Kim and Suhas, just keep the mobile only for yourself. Do not include the whole home. It really disturbs, because everyone is watching you. Okay? So keep the mobile only for yourself. That is just for you, not for the whole. Okay. So stones and then the clouds. Okay. Then the plants. See everything around you. The anything, whatever you eat, is everything a matter, a object. Okay. So basically, you have to understand that whatever is around you is a matter. Now, see, Stan. Even if it is a small thing. Okay, it's a very small thing, right? See, it's a very small thing, the sand, okay? But it's a matter because it's a small thing, but it's something which we can hold, right? We can feel, okay? So it's a matter. See, it doesn't matter how big it is or how small it is. Anything, whatever is there, is an object and it is called matter, okay? Then deer, like all the animals, as I said that we human beings are matter, like that only all the animals, all the birds, everything, all the living beings also are matter. Okay. Now see, someone said that stars are not a matter, but do you think star is an object? Rim Srishti Davale, can you tell me that star is an object? Rims Aishwarya Pujari, can you tell me star is the object? Is a star object?
Yes, ma'am, it's object because it is made up of particles.
Yes, very good. So basically, star is an object, so what eventually it happens that it's a matter too. Okay, so there's so many stars in the sky, that means it's an object. Okay, we can see it, right? We can see it, though we cannot feel the star, but we can see it, right? So it's a matter. Okay, then a drop of water. Okay, so see, we cannot catch water. Can you catch water like this? It will flow off, it will just leak off your fingers. Okay, it will just go off from your hand. But the moment it's there in your hand, you feel the water, right? You feel wet, so you have that feeling of touching of water. um Wait, St. Peter's Ganesh Kohli, answer me that the moment you touch, there is a moment, I mean, can you touch water? There's a feeling of touching water, right? St. Peter's Ganesh Koti.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so can you hold the water? Can you hold water?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So can you touch water?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you feel water?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is it?
Ma'am, it's a matter.
Okay. Very good. So it's a matter. Okay. So we'll go further. See, now we are here that everything, I told you, that every large number of things around us, whatever you see or feel, is matter. Okay, so it's an object. So what, see, in scientific language we say it matter, because you know we have to go in detail with matter, molecules, atoms, and particles, you know, everything we have to go in detail. So here I have one more example for you, that what is the proof that air is a matter? So everyone has seen balloons.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has seen balloons, right? Rim, Sachin, Kankare, have you blown? Have you blown or have you seen balloon? Sachin, Rim, Shreyas, 9th standard. Have you ever blown a balloon? Have you blown a balloon? Okay, so what goes into the balloon? Tell me, what goes into the balloon? Ah? What? Just be very clear, because I'm not able to hear you. Just be a little bit clear. So what goes into balloon? Balloon, tell me. Huh? Air. Okay. So balloon is so the air is inside the balloon. Okay. What happens when air goes inside the balloon? Tell me. It blows. So do you think that air is present at some limit? Cayman, Suhas, see, everyone keep your audio on, video on, okay? I want to see everyone, so keep your video on. I have to see what you're doing. So keep your video on so that I see you, okay? So basically what happens that the air goes into it, in the balloon. St. Peter's Umrani, Miss Umrani. Nandita Umrani, St. Peter's.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, when you blow the air in the balloon, it blows, right? It expands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you, so the moment if you want to take out the air, and if your hand is just near the entry, the mouth of the balloon, can you feel the air coming out of the balloon?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think, that we feel air, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the example for air that it's a matter? That it's in the balloon, and the moment you feel the storm, right? Everything. Right? Nandita? Answer, guys. I cannot take the class like this, you without answering. So it has to be an interactive class. You have to keep answering me whenever I ask you something. St. Peter's, Nandita, tell me. You feel air? Okay, let's go further. Okay. Now see, everyone has book, any kind of book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the book which, see, you need space to keep book, or you can keep it
Yes, ma'am.
anywhere. You need space to keep the book, right? It needs space to keep to be.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We need space.
It needs okay, it needs space, right? So when you pick up the book, can you feel the weight of the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We feel.
so there is a weight of the book, right? Whenever yes, Rims, Kiran M Chocolate class, raise your hand. Yes, ask me, unmute yourself and ask me. So there is a weight when you pick the book up like this. When you pick the book, there is a weight, right? See, there is a weight of the book. Okay, so what it means, that it has mass. You need some strength, right, to pick up the book. So there is a mass of this. There's a weight of the book. That's the reason you're picking it up. And you need space to keep the book. It's like where if I want to keep this book on my hand, so I'll keep the book on my hand. So it needs space. Okay, so a book occupies space. That space occupied by the book is called volume. So the space, the proper the space, like in the lengthwise, breadthwise, widthwise, whatever the space it needs, it's called volume. Okay, so see now, your back, can you see a library and their books are kept over here, and in one shelf, if one book is removed, that space is empty, and that space is actually called volume. Okay, the space you need to keep anything is called volume. Okay, now see, if you have a bike, you want to park it anywhere you want, so you need space to park it, right? You need space to park it. That is called volume. Now if you pick up the book, I picked up the book, so there's a weight. I can feel some weight. Okay, so that means what? That it has some weight, and it has mass. Okay, understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Everyone today understood the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm getting all the replies. Yes, please reply. I'll see with the mute and unmute thing again later. So I hope today you have understood everything, whatever I've told you, and make sure that, if you have any doubts, you come to me, ask me anything. Okay? Everyone? Okay? Anyone has any doubts? Anyone has any doubt? No. Okay, I've got a reply from Rimstreyas. So if ever you have any doubt, you can come in the next class. We can discuss over there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, two participants raise their hands. Rims Kiran M. Chogle and St. Peter's Gayatri. Okay, I'm unmuting you both. Please ask me what happened. See, you have to unmute yourself too. If I'm unmuting you, you unmute yourself too. Yes, Kiran, ask me what happened.
No, ma'am.
Nothing? No doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
St. Peter's Gayatri? Okay, so today we'll end our class. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so till then, be safe and be at home. Okay, Miss, what is the homework? You'll get to know, Rumana. I'll send you. You'll get to know what is the homework and all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, school. Sandeep came in school. Yes, ask me what happened. Okay, chalo then I'll see you next time. Okay, chalo, bye. Bye bye.
Bye.